Hello, beautiful people. How are you doing today? Hope you all are in best of your health and fantabulous as always, and as I always want you to be. So today in School for Elders, I have a very inspiring, very creative, and very beautiful story for you. I'm sure you all must be knowing who is Pablo Picasso, right? So you all know because he has made his name. He is a creative artist. He has done so many paintings, and he's very famous name in itself. Pablo Picasso is from um, Spain and France, right? He stayed in France also. However, he has started painting from his very early age and at a very young age. Why we are covering here, he has done one remarkable thing. When people gain so much of fame and they gain so much of wealth and acknowledgement, they just stop working. However, he has created a record by creating masterpieces at the age of 87. He has engraved 347 masterpieces in 1 year. Isn't it amazing, inspiring? At the age of 87, if he can do it, why can't we, right? Someone is riding a motorbike at 96 and wanted to ride at 100 also. So someone is doing painting, someone is singing, right, at later age. However, Pablo died at the age of 91 in 1973, and he has given us a lot of inspiration and lot of motivation to all of us that yes, we can also do it. So his story and journey is very long. So I'll be posting the link in the Wikipedia. You may go through his profile if any one of you is interested. However, I just wanted to reflect one thing about him. So today I have a very beautiful and creative wellness mantra for you. So wellness mantra is whenever you feel little bit dizzy, you may start channelize your this energy to something productive. You can start cooking if you really like. Even if you don't like cooking, right, even if you're not interested, you can definitely try certain things. Because why this is wellness mantra, food has certain power in itself, because we all are surviving on food, and everyone in this world. So when you touch food, that is having its own natural powers, because it's grown by mother nature, and you can realize your true powers also, right? So when you start mixing up all these ingredients with your hands, you need to touch your food. So with your hands, you may see the magic starts happening, right? You can see that you will be creative with your food. I'm sure, you can definitely write in the comment section what all creativity you did and whether it worked or not. However, it will definitely work, because we all are creative being if we will decide. And I will tell you, I was very young. I was only 6 to 7 when I started going in kitchen and exploring all these creativities. And now, maybe it is my choice whether I cook or not. But yes, I mix up the ingredients and I can cook almost everything, whichever is there. Even after reading or after watching YouTube videos, I can cook anything. So in a same way, if I can do it, who never goes in kitchen, right? Because I am busy with my books, my writing work, and with my trainings. So any one of you can do. I'm just saying, if I can do it, why can't you, right? Even in my childhood, I used to do my studies, and I used to read more, because my hobbies are reading and writing. Still, I can explore something in kitchen, and it gives me really peace of mind, and it gives me solace. So it will definitely help you out, release certain tensions from you, and you never know, the food may turn out to be delicious, and you'll be the next master chef. Isn't it amazing? So please let me know how come this wellness mantra is working on you. Try something different, not your normal food, different, in which you can put your creativity. Even normal food, could cook with some creativity, right? So please mention how you felt and what are your thoughts about this. So thank you so much. Bye bye, take care, gratitude always.